Today on Animal Fact Files, we're talking about Pudus. Be sure to subscribe to the channel for more animal facts. Pudus were a request from Zaiv. Aren't they adorable? If you can imagine a deer the size of a house cat, then you've thought of a pudu. There are two species of pudu, northern pudus and southern pudus, and the northern pudus take home the title of the smallest deer species in the world. How small is smallest? Well, southern pudus average 16 inches in height at the shoulders, 30 inches in length, and 25 pounds in weight, while northern pudus average 13 inches in height and 10 pounds in weight. So yeah, a house cat-sized deer. We don't recommend these deer for domestication, however, since they're both considered to be facing population decline in the wild. Besides, I can't imagine Chester being too happy about an ungulate sibling. Pudus live in South America. Southern pudus are found in southern Chile and venture slightly into Argentina. Northern pudus are unsurprisingly found more northward, in Peru and Ecuador. Southern pudus live in forests with dense undergrowth in which they can hide. They'll create tunnels through the undergrowth that run throughout their territory. In general, they're found below 6,500-foot elevations, which is sort of the opposite of their northern neighbors. Northern pudus live between 6,500 and 13,000 feet above sea level in mountainous forests and grasslands above the tree line. Both species enjoy fresh, green vegetation that grows along the edge of forests. Their small stature can make obtaining these leaves, ferns, grasses, and shrubs somewhat difficult, so pudus will actually rear up on their back legs to make themselves taller, and they'll also climb on top of fallen logs to assist them in obtaining food. It's so cute it should probably be illegal. Their tiny size also provides them the ability to hide well. However, when they are spotted, they'll be eaten by pumas, foxes, owls, and even domestic dogs. In the 1900s, northern pudus were hunted by humans extensively, but more recently this is less common practice, and pudu populations are more affected by habitat loss. Pudus are goofy little creatures, and will happily run and prance on a cool day. It's thought that they don't tolerate heat very well because they're often seen seeking out shade and will be more active on windy days. They're kind of like those miniature goats. So cute! Southern pudus are reddish-brown and tend to be uniform in their coloration. Northern pudus are lighter than southern pudus along their body, but their heads are often dark brown to nearly black. Male pudus are the only ones with antlers, which can grow to be 4 inches long at peak maturity. Their reproduction has not been thoroughly studied in the wild, but captive individuals have provided us with some insights. In general, males and females are usually ready to mate by about 1 year of age, with males probably taking a little longer to reach sexual maturity. The breeding season is from April to June or November to January if a female didn't become pregnant in the spring. The babies take about 210 days to develop, and a female will have 1 or 2 babies. They'll stay with mom until they're ready to have babies of their own about a year later, and they'll have to move to a new territory since pudus are relatively solitary and don't enjoy company of more than 1 or 2 other pudu. In fact, it's been observed that some pudu will actually kill other pudu who stay in their territory for too long. #wildlife problems. We're not entirely sure how long they can live in the wild, but in captivity they have lived more than 17 years. For more facts on pudus, check out the links in the description. Let us know your thoughts on these tiny deer in the comments. Be sure to give a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time on Animal Fact Files.